Hi friends! Subscribe to my channel How to Knit to watch all my new videos. I'm working on the new sweater now and decided to show you how to knit this nice stitch. Look how beautiful! It's so nice, beautiful and easy to knit. In this video I'll show you how to knit every stitch in this pattern, and I'll show you a diagram also. It's a great choice for knitting cardigans, sweaters, maybe socks, blankets, many projects you could knit with this pattern, with these stitches. Wrong side is very nice also. I will knit with this yarn. Okay, let's begin. Cast on multiple of 10 stitches plus 7 stitches and 2 edge stitches. And let's knit first row. 1 edge stitch and then purl 3 stitches. Knit 1 stitch. Again purl 3 stitches. And knit 3 stitches. That's all. Then just repeat this pattern to the end of the row. Second row. 1 edge stitch and then knit all knit stitches and purl all purl stitches. It's very easy. Just repeat all the stitches. If you see knit stitch, knit it. If you see purl stitch, just purl it, and that's all. It's too easy to repeat after me. Okay, second row is ready, and now third row. 1 edge stitch and now 3 purls 3 stitches. Knit 1 stitch, purl 3 stitches and knit 3 stitches. That's all. Then just begin this pattern to the end of the third row. And the last row, fourth row. 1 edge stitch and then just knit all stitches to the end of the row, and that's all. Now you can see that this stitch is very easy to knit, and you know how to knit every stitch. Okay, and now just repeat from the first row to the fourth row, and that's all. It's a diagram. It's very easy. Just knit and purl stitches. Friends, subscribe to my channel to watch all new videos. You can find in the description below many links to beautiful patterns also. Look how beautiful this pattern is. Very soft, easy to knit, nice, beautiful. I just can imagine how beautiful will the sweater. Okay, that's all for today. Bye, my friends.